How to ship internationally on Etsy. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video you would learn how you can ship internationally on Etsy. So let's get right into it. The first step is to log in into your Etsy account. Once you're logged in into your Etsy account, this is how the page looks like. You'll go to the home page automatically, where you can now get a number of products, a number of items. Alright, so once you're on this page, the next step is to navigate through to your shop manager. All right, this is because for you to be able to ship internationally or set up international shipping on Etsy, you have to make use of your shop manager. That is your listings that you've made on your account. So you just go ahead and click on shop manager. Now, once you've clicked on shop manager and your shop has been created, your interface would not look like this. The reason why this is being displayed is because I have not finished setting up my shop, and that is because I have been restricted. But for you, you would see a different interface of your shop. Whichever one, just ensure you navigate through to your products page. Now the next step is to select the product that you like to set international shipping for. Is it a new listing? If it's a new listing, you can just click on add more listings by the lower right corner of my screen here, or you can now click on the products that you've added before. Now once you click on that product, you'll be brought to the products page, alright, where you can see photos, you can see thumbnail, you can see videos, you can see listing details, and then you just scroll down to the shipping part or the shipping aspect. Alright, where is it? So once you're on this part, you can see shipping, the shipping options. Yeah, you can edit the shipping options, you can input the custom information, the weight. Now once you've seen all of this, you can see that for me, my shipping, international shipping is already turned on or set up. That is why the page is like this. So for you to be able to set it up, once you're on this shipping page, and for example it is not set up, you will be asked to input the item weight. All right, you have to type that in, and then once you're done, you have to input the length as well, the weight and the height, and then eventually the shipping fee would be calculated by Etsy. Now to calculate this also is also based on your settings. Before you input this on the page, you'll be asked if you want to fix your shipping fee manually, or you want it to be recommended. For me, I choose recommended. So immediately after inputting the weight, the length, the width, and then the height of the product, the shipping fee would be displayed, and then you can now click on this box for it to showcase the amount that each of this person will pay. And then once you click on this box, you'll be able to select other countries. All right, now in this box you can see countries like domestic and international, right? So you can just select an international country depending on where you want the products to go to, and then once you've selected it, you can now see the shipping price by the right side of the screen. So I hope that is clear. This is how you can ship internationally on Etsy. Very, very simple. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.